I should never even know that I'm here. That's a... Oh! There we go. Oh, that's a... Don't come off. That's a good bass. Oh! Did he come off? Or is he swimming at me? Did he come off? No, he's swimming at me. Oh, that's a good bass. Don't come off. He's barely freaking hooked. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Get in. Yes. Yes. There we go. It's a solid one. That might be 2. That's gotta be 2 something. Solid bass. Okay, we're gonna try to get out of here. Try to stay far away. 211. 212. Let's get you some water. 3-pounder. Solid. Mouth shot. Mouth shot. Ooh, baby. Alright. On the top water. Solid. Just let him go. See what happens. There she goes. Okay, we just had a nice one blow up on us. I was just trying to get over to these rocks. Man, he's pulling. He's just... He's really pulling the boat, honestly. There he is. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's a... Okay. That's why. Nice freaking... Does not want to come this way at all. That's a wiper for sure. Wiper for sure. Barely freaking hooked too. This way. Nice little wiper. It's a wiper, you can tell it's a wiper because... Oh no, that might just be a white bass. Because the tail. They said there's a way to tell on the tongue, but... Okay. Was not expecting a bite here. There you have it. Should we get a weight? Alright, well, that was weird. I released him though. It was 1-9. I saw some hit back here. There he is. Don't come off. Here we go. Come on, stay on there. Stay on there. I don't care if you give me a fight. Just stay on. I know. Stop that. There we go. Another little guy. Very red eyes again. See his eye? Pretty. Maybe a pounder. Thanks for playing. You. Knew they'd be up there. Why? Because I saw them hit up there. Yeah, I gotta let them really freaking eat this thing. Oh, there's one. Barely hooked again. He is trying his best. Barely hooked. I just want you to get it all out before I bring you in here, because I don't want none of that mess. Yeah, okay. Yep. See? He just crunched down on his mouth and it popped out. Little guy. We'll take it though. Came out pretty far for it. Little guy. Dippin' Dot. You. Oh, something came out. There he is. I saw him come out too. Oh, don't come off. Okay. Ooh. Don't come off. Don't go into the dock. Oh no, oh no. Oh, no. No. Are you kidding me? It looked like there were two back there. Yep, there he is. Oh, did he come off? No? He just took off the other way. See? Told you there were two. This one is much smaller. But there were indeed two. You weren't going anywhere. Told you there's another one back there. A little smaller. Not too shabby. There he is. There's the whopper plopper. You. There's one. Angry. Yellow. Very yellow. Okay. Golden bass. Little, but mighty. Oh, we don't have much recording left. There's another topwater bass. You.